For our evaluation tool, we use the MAUQ or the mHealth app usability questionnaire. It is because the MAUQ's reliability is characterized by high internal consistency, which means it has a good stability and it is used to evaluate the usability of the mobile health application. That really fits on our software application. According to Zhou et al., MAUQ is a reliable and valid tool for assessing the usability of the mobile health application. It is also designed to evaluate the usability of it, which is relevant to our application. Questionnaires of MAUQ are also well-validated questionnaires since the development of the questionnaires were based on a number of existing questionnaires used in the previous mobile app usability studies. So MAUQ has a total of 21 items with a 3 dimension, mainly the usability and satisfaction, 8 items, system information arrangement, 6 items, and efficiency for 7 items. And items are assessed on a 7-point Likert scale. And these scales 1 for strongly agree, 2 as agree, 3 somewhat agree, 4 is neutral, 5 somewhat disagree, 6 disagree, and lastly 7 for strongly disagree. And then calculate the total and average of the responses to all statements to determine the usability of the software application. And the closer the mean value is to 1, the higher the app usability will be. So we collected the data from the 20 participants who participated in the testing. 10 care seekers with a percentage of 50%, and 10 caregivers with a percentage also of 50%. 100% of our participants are ages 18 years old and above. Also, 100% of our 10 caregivers participants obtained a caregiver certificate. And then lastly, 100% of our 10 care seekers participants have someone over the age of 60 years old or seniors at their home. Moreover, participants in our testing were suitable to our target user. So we'll go now for the MAUQ results among the 10 care seekers of the survey. Of MAUQ mean score of 1.6 for the care seeker, which can be interpreted as agreeing. So this explains that care seekers agree that the software application is usable. And for the MAUQ results among 10 caregivers of the survey, the data shows a total MAUQ mean score of 1.8, which can be taken to mean as agree also. And this also explains that caregivers also agrees that the software application is usable. So to get the total MAUQ score, first, you need to get the mean of each items, and then get the total mean of each 3 dimension of the questionnaire, which are the usability and satisfaction, system information arrangement, and efficiency. And lastly, you need to calculate all the means of the 3 dimension to get the total MAUQ mean score. So for the software crunchback coefficient alpha result, the data shows 0.89 alpha coefficient, which can be translated as good. It demonstrated significant reliability, and it indicates a very good degree of internal consistency from both caregivers and care seekers. Since the result exceeded the generally acknowledged threshold of 0.70 for crunchback alpha coefficient values.